So let's understand how we can change and edit menu items and categories. So if you look at our site for a second, you'll see that if I click right here, this goes back to the home page. Okay, so I really don't have any menu choices because basically I just have one category of videos. But let's understand how we can do this. Now, since we're logged in here, we can go and create different categories. So first thing I want to do is go to Dashboard, and let's go and add a few more categories. So again, let's say that I want to do shorts reviews. Now, you don't have to put the slug in there because when you hit OK, it's automatically going to put in the SEO-friendly slug at the bottom. So I'm going to do this to a couple of things just to share with you. I can create a custom menu for my marketing platform. So right now I have three categories. I have a shorts shopping, shorts reviews, and my video shorts recipes. Now, if you want to call this my video, whatever, name it something that makes sense to you. Okay, now from here I go to appearance and go to menus. Now keep in mind we don't have any content for the two categories that we just made. Now, important step, there are two menus. There's the main menu and there's the footer menu. Make sure you select the one that you want to edit and or make changes to. So in this particular case, I definitely want to do the main footer category and select. Now, what I could do from here is if you go down to categories. Now, a couple of choices here. Here's all my categories that I can put inside of a menu. Now, if you want to basically have a link, because keep in mind this is an iPhone, so maybe you don't want to take up a lot of screen real estate. So you could do a custom link here. I'm just going to put in the pound symbol for a custom link, and then here I'll just call this something like My Video Shorts. So I have something called My Video Shorts. I'm going to add that to the menu. That's going to basically be the top menu. Again, this is totally optionally up to you. Now what I can do is select all, and this is basically alphabetize, say that 5 times fast, and add that to the menu. Now what I want to have happen, I want to make these sub-menus. So I can simply drag this to the right, drag this to the right, drag it to the right. Now any changes you make here, make sure you come down to the bottom and save the menu. Otherwise, you're going to be pleasantly surprised that you have no menus. So if I now go to my front end of my site, you will see that I now have menu choices. So here's my short videos, and there's a drop-down menu. Now, obviously, we don't have any shorts reviews or short shopping. So in the next video, I will share with you how you can basically add more campaigns. And to do this, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You want to duplicate what you have. That's working smart. So let me share with you the steps if in fact you want to make an additional campaign than the original video campaign that you had tied to your playlist. So let's do that one step at a time.